We're here at Macy's at the mall UTC, Sarasota. It's a Schindler. Let's go to UL. It's like the only place in the mall where it is labeled UL.
Oh yeah. GL fixtures.
Alright, let's go to LL. £2,500 capacity.
First built this elevator in 2018.
2016 for me.
Oh yeah.
Quite a long time ago.
Yeah. That's the year I did start filming. This is one of the first trips I've done.
Yeah.
Filmed here.
Really same for me. I filmed this like August 2016, the same month I made my channel. My first channel, that is.
September 2018. Somebody called it.
Yep.
So let's get on this. Or do you want to get out here?
We could get out of here.
Alright, let's do that.
Just gonna look at the store real quick.
Alright.
And that'll be it.